Hello everyone, this is Joy. Today I'm going to show you how to thread the sewing machine when using the twin needle. This is the twin needle. It has a flat side and a round side. So to insert the needle, this flat side should be at the back. And we have to use two kinds of thread. And first we have to remove this existing needle here and insert the twin needle. Push all the way to the top and fasten with this lock. Insert the first thread to the spool pin and secure with a spool holder. Snap this thread to the thread guide post and bring to the rear thread guide all the way to the right and to the side of the tension separator, down to the right channel, up to the left channel, towards the back of the take up lever, around and pull the thread towards you to the eyelid, and then down to the left channel, and then thread this thread guide from right to the left. Bring to the lower thread guide from left to the right. The first thread will go to the right needle. Next, we need to thread the second thread. We have to use this extra spool pin and attach here. And the second thread will go here. And we skip this first thread guide post and we start from the rear thread guide down to the right end to the right of the tension separator, down to the right channel, up to the left channel toward the take up lever towards the back, around and pull the thread towards you to the eyelid, down to the left channel and thread this thread guide from right to the left and bring to the second thread guide from left to the right. Second thread will go to the left needle. This is now ready to sew. Bring this thread under the pressure foot. This is how it looks like. And this is how to thread the sewing machine when using the twin needle. Thank you for watching and bye for now.